Product people, this is a quick walkthrough of the feature market analysis template. You would use this template in this session if you were looking to identify all the different components of your potential market, your competition, any key considerations, and it results in a canvas that you can use and share with others. If you happen to be facilitating this activity, be sure to take a look at the left-hand column where there are a lot of useful tips and tricks around how many people can participate in this, about how much time it might take, and the level of difficulty. There are also some tools that you can reference, as well as some resources. These are other templates, other activities, articles, things that may be of use to you. As always, when you start an activity like this, be sure to have all the team members add their names, their roles, an image of themselves, just so you know who is participating and who participated in the activity. Once you jump in, you will be able to zoom in from the outline, which is located on the right side, to all of the different activities. There are 6 initial steps where you go through part of generation, where you generate ideas, and then a bit of voting to narrow down to specific choices. So you'll do that for each step. And when you finish, you'll have all of those areas filled in. And then you can start to copy over your most voted items from each step, 1 through 6, into your canvas. And then you will have a very good representation of your feature market analysis that you can share with others. I hope that helps, and enjoy the template.